pleasures come, we must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Hello Theo, hello, thank you so much for coming in the live stream. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you for being the first like and first comment. Thank you so much. And the match is about to start in about one. Why? The match is about to start in 1 minute. In 1 minute. So Sakano minute dos. 1 minute, bro. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute. So let's just chill. You can comment in this live chat. Comment. Do comment, and I will try to reply each and every one of you. But if I'm commentating the stream, then I'm going to say sorry in advance, but I will read the chats in between. How is the stream, guys? Please let me know how is the stream. Please do let me know how is the stream, like the audio, in-game audio and microphone. Okay, now it's almost time. No one is attacking. Come on, come on, come on. It's time, come on. Now. Just chill. Just chill, bro. Just chill. Just chill. The attack is about to start. I don't know what are these guys doing, but it's already time to attack. Come on, come on. Don't waste time. Otherwise, the attacking will clash with Khasi Barbarians, because Khasi Barbarians also will have to follow the time schedule. Khasi Barbarian also will have to follow the attacking pattern, and KHYRWIT also here, they have to follow the attacking pattern. Now we are live. Okay. An attack is coming from Dub. KHYRWIT against Mighty Zeus. He's coming in with the Queen charge on the right side, and he's going to go for that Town Hall. He's gonna make sure that he secure that 1 star. But let's look whether he get that 2 star or 3 star or not. So he's coming in with the 10 Valkyries and 9 Hawks, which is a good combination. So he doesn't bring any wall breakers, because those Valkyries they will charge their way by themselves into the core, which is pretty good, because the enemy queen is already in the core there, so that she will lure the Valkyries into the core. And now he finally drops the Valkyries and the Bowlers and the Hawks. I guess he will wait for until the first compartment is cleared. Okay, the queen is stuck on the wall there, and the lava hound from the clan castle. Okay, that lava hound is gonna stay up until the end. Finally, the enemy queen is down, and the queen is still up. Wow, nice attack from Dub KHYRWIT clan. Nice attack. This is going to be a... this might go into a 3 star. This might go into a 3 star. Oh no. This will be a 2 star. With high percentage, maybe 70 or 75. Maybe 75, because the queen is still standing. The queen is still standing. Freeze up that Inferno. Wow, nice attack from Dub there. Nice attack. That queen is going down from that single Inferno, and that's it. 69% for Dub. KHYRWIT has got a 2-star for KHYRWIT. Now let's see how Khasi Barbarians will respond in their first attack here in a moment. Nice attack from Dub with the Valkyries, Hawks and Bowler combination. Flop Byung Hee, 2-star 70%, 2-star 69%, without siege, Clam siege, Clam 80 La Byung Hee, 69%, 69% 2-star. Okay, now Khasi Barbarians, they are going against Dub. Wow, they are taking, they are avenge their teammates. They are taking a revenge. Now Junal from Khasi Barbarian is going against Dub, and he's coming in with the Mass Hawks attack with a Queen charge. Nice rage wall breaker there to boost that wall breaker and open up that first compartment, and the single Inferno is being freezed and it stops from that burning. I mean that single target. Okay, he's funneling. Okay, that queen has to pop up her ability because of that enemy queen, and he took down the enemy queen. The lava hound is gonna pop right there, and the queen is down. The pups the pups came out, and it's gonna be hard to clear those pups. Wow, those pups are gonna take down his hawks and everything. So let's see how he managed to attack. Let's see how he managed to attack. Oh, Knight, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much for coming to the stream, Knight. Okay, he's trying to take down those lava pups. Oh, wow, lava pups take down the single wizard. Okay, the lava pups are taken care of. The lava pups are taken care of. But the time here, the only thing is time. He's taking so much time to deploy his troops. So time is gonna be a problem here. Okay, he's dropping the hawks on the right side. Let's see how he managed to get a 2-star or a 3-star. I don't see this one going into a 3-star. Not even a 2-star. I don't see this going to be a 2-star because he only has hawks. Hawks are targeting only defenses troops. Hawks targets only defenses troops. Wow. This is going to be a 1-star. This is not what Khasi Barbarians want in their first attack. 1-star attack from Khasi Barbarians, which is this is gonna be a lucky attack for lucky defense. This is going to be a lucky defense for KHYRWIT clan. So KHYRWIT clan here, they got a first defense. Khasi Barbarians with 62%, 1-star. Wow. This is why if you bring only mass hawks, make sure you get the town hall. Maybe you can bring combination of miners as well, because miners will clear down the junk, all the junk units, and all the hawks are clearing down the defense, which will secure the 2-star. But only hawks, it is such a risky attack. It is a risky attack. Okay, who knows, Khasi Barbarians might also defend. But okay, let's jump from yesterday's semi-final. Okay, now we'll continue with that later. Now let's jump into this live attack from KHYRWIT. Jeff is coming in from KHYRWIT against Deadman Reaper. Khasi Barbarian. Jeff is coming in with a Queen Charge Hybrid, which is a really strong combination. This attack will secure a 2-star. I'm sure this attack will secure a 2-star. They will secure a 2-star here with this Hawk Minor combination. Okay, he's taking his time with that Queen Charge. He wakes up his Queen. So how he's gonna get that Queen into the core? Finally, he lures out the CC Troops, Lava Hound, and a balloon is coming out from the clan castle. So he shouldn't take time killing the CC Troops here, because if he take time killing the CC Troops, it might be a problem. Okay, I guess it's time for him to drop the hybrid. Alongside GP, up more bro, up more pick up more. Wow, that Queen. Oh, GG. He took down that Queen. Okay, that's multiple target Inferno. It's burning down the healers. Okay, the Hawks are taking down the multiple target Inferno, and this is looking strong here. The Queen is going down against that Barbarian King, and the healers will swap into the Hawks. And the Barbarian King is going to clear all those junk units from the side. This is going to be a 2-star for sure. He's gonna secure a 2-star. This might go into a 3-star as well. Nice attack from Jeff. It's looking strong here. This might go into a 3-star. Wow. All because of those healers. OP healer swap. OP. If those healers stays up until the end, this might go into a 3-star. Wow, miners are still up. So many miners left. We still have 2 healers left with him. So this might go into a 3-star. Wow, this might go into a 3-star. Oh no, that Wizard Tower is burning down all the miners. 95% for Jeff. 95%. 97. This is not going to be a 3-star. It's going to be a 2-star. 98%. 2-star. Wow, nice attack from Jeff. Wow, it's almost a 3-star. Nice attack. OP. Without a siege barrack and without max troops, he almost get that 3-star. Nice. Wow. Okay, long la san GP untuk nomor bakut donang. GP kamu long GP san untuk mah. Triunila night pit ma nhau pra kendai not san kendai sao iway. Dia itu nomor bang apa? Block skill. Oh, why I open the chats? I shouldn't have opened the chats. Let them do their plan. My only job is to stream and to spectate here for all the spectators. Okay, Khasi Barbarian is coming against Ray. Preacher is going against Ray. Ray is defender and Preacher is the attacker. Yeah. This guy is coming in with Witch, Golems, Witch, and Bowlers. Okay. This is just gonna be a direct spam attack. He's using all those pitches to clear the funnel, and so that the Golems and the Bowlers will go into the core here. He will have to invest the jump. Yeah, the jump. He invests the jump finally. Okay. But the troops won't go inside because of that compartment, the empty compartment there. Wow, he should have planned This might go into a 1 star as well. This might go into 1 star. Wow, 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 wow. No, this is going to be a 1 star again. All those multi-infernos, they are burning out all the witches. Wow. This is why whenever you are going with witches, you should go with the base single inferno base, single target inferno base. If you are going against multiple target inferno, then wow, it's such a risky attack. Attacking witches against a multi-inferno attack. Okay, this is going to be a 1 star for Khasi Barbarians. The second 1 star from the clan. Wow. They have to do well in their defense. Even though the attacks even though the attack gone wrong. They have to do well in their defense. Wow, 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 wow. 77% 1 star for Khasi Barbarian. Now let's go through the results. 4 stars. KHYRWIT have finished 2 attacks and secured 4 stars for the clan. And Khasi Barbarians have also finished 2 stars and secured 2 attacks and secured 2 stars. They are on the edge now, so let's watch whether they defend. They have to defend, because attacking it's gonna be hard to 3-star, you know, without siege barracks. Oh no, not siege barracks, without siege machines and without max troops, it's gonna be hard to 3-star. So they have to perform well in their defense. Okay. Candy here is going against Preacher from KHYRWIT clan, attacking from KHYRWIT clan. So he's starting with Queen Charge from the right side. The Queen Charge from the right side, and that Pekka is clearing the funnel there. Okay, he's taking his time. This Candy here is bringing that legend. Okay, he's bringing mass minor attack. This might go into a 2-star if he drops those miners correctly. Then this might go. But wow, he dropped the miners right there. So how is he gonna take down the town hall? How is he gonna take down the town hall? Okay, that queen is struggling against that lava hound, and the pups are coming out. Okay, the miners are struggling there with the X-bow and multiple target inferno. This might go into, yeah, this will be a 2-star. This will be a 2-star. I don't know whether a 2-star or a 3-star, but for sure this is gonna be he will secure a 2-star. He will secure a 2-star. Yeah. All because of those healers. If those healers switch to the miners, then it might go into a 3-star. But the miners still stuck into the queen. Still stuck with the queen. So you won't get that 3-star. But 2-star, it's already secure, you know, because Khasi Barbarians already got 2 1-stars, and KHYRWIT already secured all those 2 stars in their 2 attacks, and this will be a third 3-star or third 2-star attack. Okay, let's jump into the live chat for a moment. Akala KHYRWIT anu kumni hila nu ko preacher tumo dan legend itu loser boy Chris Lyra. Night lah, kamu night yang melangban sen. Sampai bahau tu number they nyau pra kendai not san kendai sao iwe. High percentage 2-star for KHYRWIT. Wow, they already have the advantage here. Advantage for KHYRWIT. 6 stars for KHYRWIT and 2 stars for Khasi Barbarians. Wow. 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 GG. Okay, now Khasi Barbarians. Do. Loser number 1, aka Do. From Khasi Barbarian, he's going against Shelly from KHYRWIT. He's going in with Golem Witch attack. Okay, he's gonna secure that 1 star because of that exposed town hall on the right side. Oi Tio, ini udah entahlah attack. Okay, he drops a jump in the middle there and reach, but there's very less troops going into the core. Wow, the king and queen are going round and round the base. They are playing merry-go-round, round and round and round. KB, why? What happened, Khasi? Oh, why? Oh, why did I click the return home button? Sorry. We haven't seen any kaboom in this attack. This is going to be a 2 star. 2 star high percentage, 2 star, high percentage, 2 star. Okay, at least he is doing well with his attack. 78%, 80%, 81, 83, wow. Wow, 87%. If they didn't get that that 1 star in 2 attacks, it might have it might have been lucky for them, but they secured a 1 star, so wow, it's very hard. 94% 2 star. Wow, nice attack from loser number 1, aka Do. Nice attack from Do. 96% 2 star. So how is KHYRWIT going to respond here? KHYRWIT already secured 6 stars and they are 2 stars advantage. They have an advantage of 2 stars. Both the clans have finished 3 attacks and KHYRWIT have secured 6 stars and Khasi Barbarians have secured 4 stars. Yeah. Securing a 2 star, securing a 2 star 80 plus, securing a 2 star 80 plus, it's enough, because in this tournament we are not allowing we do not allow using siege barracks and max troops. We only allow troops from town hall 10 and below. So once again, guys, for those of you who watch the stream, please do make sure to like the stream, and you can share with your friends. You can also share, and if you want to, you can also subscribe. Okay, KHYRWIT, now they are going with the attack against Junal or Junal. Junal. Okay, he's going with the queen charge. Ray from KHYRWIT is going against Junal. Kloriong te kham salang hi Kloriong te nhap siapet. Oi Tio ngelai bro. First like, first comment. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Okay, Ray, he's coming in with Queen Charge Hybrid. Queen Charge Hybrid. Like I said before, Queen Charge Hybrid is a very secure attack strategy. You know, it's very easy to get a 2-star with Queen Charge Hybrid. As long as you drop correctly that Queen Charge. If your Queen Charge survives until the end, then it's gonna be OP. Miners versus witches. Oi, ninja. OP ninja. Oi, ninja. Thank you so much for coming to the stream. Ninja OP in the chat. Ninja OP in the chat. OP, bro. Pro Clash of Clans player Ninja. Welcome to the stream, bro. Ninja. Our esports lineup from Clan Parabamnang. Ninja. Okay, they already secured a 1-star. Ray here secured a 1-star. And minus that. Oh, Queen. OP Queen. She still survives. Oh, he wears that freeze. Even though that Queen already took down that single Inferno, but he still wears the freeze. Okay. This is going to be a 2-star again. This is going to be a 2-star for KHYRWIT. Okay. So now there will be no more chance for Khasi Barbarians. No more chance for Khasi Barbarians. Even if they get a 3-star, they won't win the tournament. Even if they get a 3-star. Ray already secured a 2-star here with a 670. 70%. This is going to be a 71%. 71, 72. 72%. Wow, OP attack from Ray. Okay, Khasi Barbarians. Shelly? Why Shelly is attacking? Wow, 3-star. Oh, they already win. Okay, we'll go through the replay again, because this is a 3-star, so you don't want to miss a 3-star. This is a 3-star. Wow, Shelly, OP Shelly. They are not following the attacking pattern, so it's very hard for me. It's very hard for me to stream because they are not following the attacking pattern. Mighty Zeus. We will go with that previous attack, 3-star attack later. Let's watch this live attack first. So Mighty Zeus from Khasi Barbarian is going against Candy. Mid. Candy mid. Candy going in with that Queen Charge Hybrid. Khasi Barbarian finally are going with a Queen Charge Hybrid, and they are not using Witch anymore. Wow, they should have used Hybrid from the first attack. Especially a risky attack from them is that they attack Witch against a multi-target Inferno base. If they attack a multi-target Inferno base with Witches, they should have made sure that they zap the Inferno, you know. If they zap the Inferno, then it will be easy for the Witches to get into the core. So Mighty Zeus here, he's taking his time with the Queen Charge, and the Queen is going to charge into the enemy Queen, dropping his Rage and automatic ability. Okay, Khasi Barbarians is looking strong here, but even though if they get a 3-star here, they won't win the semi-final. Okay. Oh, Tesla farm on the bottom side. Tesla farm. Okay. Multi-Inferno is burning down those hawks. You should have dropped healing spells. Oh, okay, they are taking down that Inferno. Multiple target Inferno. Multiple target Inferno is down. Is this going to be a 3-star? Is this going to be a 3-star? Wow. Wow. This might go into a 3-star from Khasi Barbarians. Wow, GG from Khasi Barbarians. Mighty Zeus. This is going to be a 3-star. Wow. Mga don wifi bro nga baduk don wifi bro nga. Stream with the data bro. Katut data lah kut larai ke speed. Mighty Zeus 3-star. Wow. 3-star from Mighty Zeus. Nice. Wow. If they get a 3-star from their first attack. Oh my. OP. 3-star. 3-star. That man Reaper. That man Reaper already secured a 2-star here. Wow. That man Reaper. He might also get a 3-star with 39 seconds. Time might be the issue here. You already have enough troops for a 3-star, but time is the issue here. Time is the only issue. That man Reaper from Khasi Barbarians attacking against Jeff. Wow. This is going to be a 2-star. It's not going to be a 3-star because of the time. Time is going to be an issue here. Time. Wow. Time. Wow. 97% from Deadman Reaper. OP attack from Deadman Reaper. Wow. 11 to 9. 11 to 9 stars. 11 to 9 stars. Okay, KHYRWIT have secured 3 stars. 1 attack 3-star. Khasi Barbarian also 1 attack 3-star. KHYRWIT 4 attacks 2-star, and Khasi Barbarians 2 attack 2 stars. And Khasi Barbarian with that 2 attacks 1 star, which brings them down to a loss. I mean. Okay, let's watch the replay from Shelly. We missed the replay from Shelly. Let's watch the live attack from Shelly. He's going in with ladi ban shim ka percentage lah. Shim no percentage. First tournament, Clash of Clans tournament. First pihak pet yaka stars. The lada kita ki stars pihak ban pet percentage. Lada kita ki percentage pihak pet yaka time duration. Attacking time duration. Kumta ka esports kaya apo. Kumta kaya ka rule apo esports yang Clash of Clans. First nipet yaki stars, second nipet yaki percentage. Lada kita beroar kemudian nipet yaka time duration. Attacking time duration last option. You know, nyapet kan uba kam dap keluar ke attack, uba kam dap slam, dia kata nyapet ka decision. Okay, this is going to be the last attack. Actually, it's already finished, but we missed this attack, so I'm showing you the replays from Shelly, because this is a first 3-star in this tournament. First 3-star in this tournament. Okay guys, first before we finish everything here, before we finish the stream, I just want to let you know that tomorrow we will be having a final match Tomorrow we will have a final match. Khasi against KHYRWIT tomorrow at 8 p.m. It is going to be a double elimination. 3 matches will be played. 3 matches will be played. The one who lose twice, then they will lose the final. Those who win twice in the final, they will win the cash prize from the Meghalaya gaming community. MGC, from MGC. Tomorrow we will stream. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, let's before I finish the stream, let's watch the live chat. Stars, wow, rakale Gigi Borola Shubham to Starbet Namar Marcian Iba to ar ataki yo si star Laliam Rikasi Kispam track sudah DH dan star lah secure belum mengenali Khasi Gigi ban ibang final dan games Arsian komod. It's okay. Hello bro, final tomorrow final we will be having 3 rounds, okay, 3 rounds. The one who win 2 times, they will win the final. But if a clan already wins 2 consecutive times, then we will we will just skip the last match, because it's useless to stream the last match. Okay, but we'll see if it depends on the participants. If they want to go on with the last match, then we will carry on. So thank you so much everyone for coming into the stream. So here's the results. There's no heroic attack, no heroic defense. 85% for KHYRWIT, 86% destruction for Khasi Barbarian. You know, if they if this match is going to a tight stars, Khasi Barbarians would have won the semi-final, because Khasi Barbarians already secured 86% destruction, 85% from KHYRWIT. But KHYRWIT has an advantage with stars.